Mommy,
What does Christmas mean to you? What does Christmas mean to you?
happy birthday,
To who?
Jesus.
Yeah, very good. What else do you do on Christmas?
Christmas right here, out there.
Micah, what does Christmas mean to you?
I don't know.
What do you do on Christmas?
I don't know.
Whose birthday is it on Christmas Day?
Store.
Who?
A store.
The store.
A store.
Whose birthday are we celebrating today?
A store.
Whose birthday is it that we were talking about in there?
A store.
What about Jesus?
Whoa.
Hey, Davin, what does Christmas mean to you?
Opening presents.
Opening presents? What else? You know what else?
Opening presents.
Tate, what does Christmas mean to you?
Open presents.
What else do you do?
I don't know. It's about.
That's okay. That's probably good. Ty, what does Christmas mean to you?
Jesus' birthday.
Yeah? What do we do on Christmas Day?
Celebrate his birthday.
Very good. That's right. Is there anything else you do on Christmas?
Open presents.
What does Christmas mean to you?
I don't know.
What do you do on Christmas Day?
I don't know.
Whose birthday is it on Christmas?
Jesus is.
What do you do to celebrate Jesus' birthday?
Give presents.
Give presents? Anything else that you do?
I don't know.
Alicia, what does Christmas mean to you?
Santa.
What else?
Christmas.
What do you do on Christmas Day?
Put presents in front of the tree.
Yeah? Whose birthday is it on Christmas Day?
Jesus.
Max, what does Christmas mean to you?
Santa.
What else?
Jesus' birthday.
Yeah? What do you do on Christmas Day?
Open presents.
Do you do anything else?
We put stars on.
Where do you put stars?
On the Christmas tree.
Oh. Do you guys know what our memory verse is? Does anybody know what our memory verse is? Who can tell me what it is? Can anybody tell me what our memory verse is right now? What is it, Sam? No. Jesus. It is about Jesus. Can you all repeat after me? Can you repeat after me? Okay. Unto us is born a Savior. Very good. Do you know the rest, Ty? I know it. Almost. For unto us is born a Savior who is Christ the Lord. Can you all try? Oh, what is it? Luke 2:11. Very good. Good job, you guys. You guys can give yourself a hand. We got that much. Luke 2:11.